Hello guys, we here in Fridolfing with my papa. This is the old house
This is the papa.
that my papa living when I was young.
This is the papa.
So you see now he's 85 years old, but it's nice to come back these memories. So for myself, I also never been here. But of course for my papa it's interesting to refresh the old memories. Yeah, many things change in life. That's it. But it's interesting to come back to your memories. So later more from our impressions. Thank you for watching.
So guys, yun na in-explain na ni Chris. Yan yung papa ni Chris. Ayan yung papa ni Chris. Ayan naman si Chris. Yeah. Yan yung house. Wala nang nakatira. Empty na siya. Yun ang story ng bahay na to. Of course, memorable to para sa tatay niya. Ayan, yung tatay niya, 85-year-old na. Okay, mit Blumen. Okay. Und click in the upstairs.
Okay. So, smiling. Schön.
Gut.
Dankeschön, Papa.
So, hier habe ich als Kind gespielt.
Mhm.
Da war der Bauernhof und das, als
Okay.
ich schon weg war.
Okay.
Und die sind dann da hingezogen ins Leitnerhaus und der Peter ist der Enkel praktisch von Kathi, ihrem
So yan yung sa building na yan. Diyan naman nagtrabaho daw yung nanay ng papa ni Chris. Okay. Ang ganda ng bahay yun. Daming bulaklak. Pataas hanggang bubong. Interesting. Kapag summertime, puro ng mga flower yung mga bahay. Lahat yan green. Ayan, dito pwedeng kumain yata ng ice cream. Pwedeng bumili. Yun ang papa ni Chris.